The temporary auto insurance is also known as the short-term auto insurance. This policy can offer what the standard insurance can, but only for a short amount of time. Like the standard policy, your car or the car that you borrowed will be protected from theft and wreckage. The application process for the temporary auto insurance is easier and shorter as compared to the standard insurance. In this period of technological advancement, most, if not all, of the insurance providers allow processing online. Yes, all you have to do is look up the requirements for the application online and you can send them online, too. However, some companies may not allow online processing. Companies that allow online processing have hotlines that are on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can process the requirements anytime. But let's say that you're not satisfied with the insurance policy. What if you want your policy cancelled? Cancellation may be complicated with standard insurance policies, but with temporary auto insurance, it is very easy. A cancellation letter is all that will be needed. Of course, refunds may be a bit complicated and procedures will vary from company to company. Although this kind of policy isn't as big a deal as the standard car insurance, it's also a good idea to look around and check out the different insurance providers and what they have to offer. You may be using that policy for only a short while, but you can still save some money if you choose the right provider. Remember that it's very easy to ask for an online quote from these companies. That means that there's no reason for you to be shy when asking for an online quote. As long as you pass the requirements, they can send you the quote. But it's also important to take note that there are some requirements that are common among all providers. First of all, insurance providers are less likely to entertain applicants below 25 years old. Another important requirement is your driving record. Your driving record must be very clean or you won't be getting that policy. If you're a first-time driver, you will definitely have a hard time looking for a provider. Insurance providers rarely entertain first-time drivers. Just be sure to do your research thoroughly before choosing an insurance provider. The temporary auto insurance does have its complications, but it's safe to say that it is very convenient. Just don't think that you can use the temporary auto insurance to replace the standard insurance. This policy will only be good for short durations only. Before driving a borrowed car, always remember to get temporary auto insurance. You never know when an accident will happen. When expecting a visit from relatives or friends from afar who are going to borrow your car, you should get this policy, too. In that way, you and your visitors will have peace of mind in driving around your car. Yes, the temporary auto insurance is very helpful. Car security has never been more comfortable. It is also more convenient, now that you can process applications and payments online. The temporary auto insurance is very simple. Of course, you may want to read more about, so just go to temporary auto insurance. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.